Hi everyone, Lorraine here. Today I'll be taking you through our integration stage, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Sheet data. So once you're in the integration homepage, what you want to do is click on Sheet. Now the first thing you want to do is you need to copy this link, and what you need to do is go into your Google Sheet data that you would like to import. Then you would need to share this with the email that we just copied. So I'm just going to paste that and click share. Now I'm going to click share anyway. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to copy the URL of the sheet you want to import, and then you just paste it here. After that, you click create. Now you need to configure the import. To configure the import, what you can do is select the cell range. This allows you to have row management and to actually decide on the amount of data that you want imported into Gyana. So you actually can select a certain amount of data within the sheet itself. But for this example, I want all the data within the sheet. So I'm just going to leave that blank and click on import. So now the tool is just validating and importing the sheet, and this should only take a few moments. Okay, now my sheet has successfully imported. What you need to do in the review stage is to check the number of rows that are being added to your team. Once you are happy with that, simply click on confirm, and your data set is now within Gyana. In the overview, you can see when the data was last synced. You can see when it was first created. You can see the number of rows being used, and you can see who it was created by. There's also a reference table, so you can see exactly where your data set is being used within the tool, such as within workflows or within dashboards. You have the data tab, and this shows you a preview of your data. So within structure, you get to see the type of data that's within each of your columns. And within preview, you get to see a table version of the data that you've just imported. Within setup, you can reconfigure your data. For example, if you now want to change the cell range, this will be the stage in which you do so. And in settings, you can rename your data set, or you can delete the integration overall.